dive into the digital gold rush with affiliate marketing. Discover how a click can turn into cash and your online space into a money-making race. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today, we're unveiling the roadmap to affiliate marketing success. Stay until the end. The insights shared here are your stepping stones to online earning mastery. Affiliate marketing has risen as a stellar way for individuals to earn money online. Whether you're dipping your toes in or are a seasoned marketer, the potential to churn out passive income through affiliate marketing is immense. But if you're a novice, the starting line might seem a bit intimidating. Worry not. This guide is here to arm you with the know-how and tactics to kickstart your venture into affiliate marketing. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? It's a performance-centric marketing model where you, the affiliate, promote products or services of an online retailer. And guess what? You earn a commission for every sale, lead, or click steered through your referral. By flexing your online presence and marketing prowess, you can earn commissions by funneling traffic and customers to the retailer's website. All right, let's talk about embarking on this journey. Step 1, pick a niche. It's pivotal to select a niche resonating with your interests, expertise, and target audience. When you're passionate about your niche, conjuring engaging content and becoming an authority in that domain becomes a breeze. Now, on to the next phase, scoping out affiliate programs. With your niche nailed down, hunt for affiliate programs offering products or services within that realm. Go for programs with a sterling reputation, competitive commissions, reliable payments, and solid support for affiliates. Time to set up your digital abode, a website or blog. It's a linchpin for carving out your online persona as an affiliate marketer. Ensure your website is visually enticing, user-friendly, and search engine optimized to real and organic traffic, amplifying your chances of raking in commissions. Now, let's get to the marrow of affiliate marketing. Content. High-quality content is your ticket to success. Craft original, informative content catering to your target audience's curiosities and concerns. Make sure it's engaging, well-researched, and packs value. Oh, and sprinkle relevant keywords naturally to boost your content's visibility and search engine results. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing, so aim to drive targeted traffic to your website or blog. Employ a blend of digital marketing channels like search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising to lure in users who are genuinely interested. Keep the conversation going with your audience and dish out valuable content to keep them coming back. Feeling aligned with our content? Stay in sync. Subscribe, validate with a like, and ring the bell to keep the harmony going. Ready to continue the rhythm? Let's jump back in. Choosing products wisely is a mantra you should live by in affiliate marketing. Opt for products that gel with your niche and offer tangible value to your audience. Authenticity and credibility are your best pals here. When you promote products you truly believe in, building trust with your audience comes naturally, elevating the chances of conversions and long-term success. Here's where the nerdy part kicks in: track and optimize. Keeping tabs on your affiliate marketing endeavors is a cornerstone for success. Monitor metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and average order value to assess your affiliate campaign's performance. Harness this data to fine-tune your strategies, pinpoint areas ripe for improvement, and swell your earnings. Now, the affiliate marketing landscape is ever-shifting. So, staying updated with the latest industry waves, marketing methodologies, and alterations in search engine algorithms is imperative. Get yourself subscribed to reputable affiliate marketing blogs, forums, and newsletters to stay in the loop and tweak your strategies as needed. Let's talk perks of affiliate marketing. Firstly, the allure of passive income. With your campaign set up and a steady traffic stream, you can earn passive income whenever your audience makes purchases through your referrals. And who doesn't love earning while snoozing? The low startup costs are a major draw. Unlike other ventures, the entry barrier is low with affiliate marketing. Your initial expenses could just be web hosting and domain registration, and you're good to go. No product creation is a sweet deal. You're free from the hassles of creating products, handling inventory, shipping, or customer support. Your sole focus? Promoting products and pocketing commissions. Now let's talk about the liberty affiliate marketing affords. It's all about flexibility in work hours and location. You could be sipping a mojito on a beach while working. It's about setting your own pace and schedule. And let's not forget the limitless earning potential. Unlike a 9-to-5 job, there's no ceiling to your earnings in affiliate marketing. Your income potential is directly tied to your efforts, strategies, and how engaged your audience is. In wrapping up, affiliate marketing unfolds a fantastic opportunity for beginners to earn passive income online. By marching through the steps outlined in this guide, from choosing a niche, vetting affiliate programs, conjuring engaging content, to driving targeted traffic, you're setting yourself up for triumph in the affiliate marketing arena. Stay committed, be adaptable to changes, and always prioritize delivering value to your audience. With a steady effort and a dollop of dedication, you can sculpt a lucrative affiliate marketing business. Still engaged? Your attention is about to pivot to an e-revelation. Step into the realm of a free ebook unveiling the unparalleled online business strategy poised to explode today. But the epilogue is yet to be written. Emerging from the ebook's wisdom, an audacious 15-day challenge stands ready, tailored to perfection for this e-mission. Navigated by digital savants, transformative revelations, and a cache of strategic tools, your ascendancy to online fame is predestined. Can you feel the vibrations of this unique gateway? Launch with fervor! Hit the link in the description stat and blaze your trail to e-mastery. Mixing down from today's e-earning jam session. Groove to the method, smooth rhythms or offbeats? Drop your tracks in the comments. Did today's financial tune top your charts? Hit like for an encore performance? Hungry for more money melodies? Subscribe and ring the bell, ensuring you're on tour with us for every gig. Before you tune out, see that video playlist? It's another hit single in the world of online profits. Click, and let's keep the beats of success bumping. Until our next studio session,